A historic chapter unfolds in Lau as a new Paramount Chief is installed after more than 2 decades. Ratu Tevita Lakeba Mara has been installed as the Tui Lau Lau in a deeply symbolic ceremony. Paramount was in Lakeba and filed this report.
A new Paramount Chief has been installed, the Tui Lau Vanua, a position vacant for almost 21 years. Ratu Tevita Lakeba Mara, son of the late Tui Nayau and Fiji's first Prime Minister.
It was quite a long journey. Started off in 2022 and then 2023 came about with a change in government, and that really opened up the way for us when he was allowed to return. But the first time I met with him was during the Mposili Waturang in Bang. It was quite a happy occasion.
Different chiefs of Lau were also bestowed their chiefly titles. Ratu Tevita Valu of the Vuonirewa clan says preparations had started in 2022 with a change of government administration fast-tracking the process.
Message that we could receive, message we can probably relate to our children is the unity amongst the people. 2 years ago, the Vuonirewa decided to come together and install the Tui NAYAU.
Hundreds of people witnessed the installation of Ratu Tevita Lakeba Mara as the Saunibono Tui Lau. Roko Lui is the fourth from the Vuonirewa clan to be installed as the Tui NAYAU Saunibono Tui Lau.
But then it was planned in a way that we can develop our land, develop our island. Develop our island, and also bring our people back to witness this ceremony, which has been lapsed for the last 55 years.
The King and Queen of Tonga, including the Crown Princess and the Princess Royal, Princess Pilolevu, along with the Maori Queen, were also part of the installation. Paramount, Fiji 1 News.